What is good, guys? Good morning. It is a beautiful morning actually here in Central Florida. It is like 50-60 degrees out, so it's like perfect driving weather, perfect boost weather. So yeah, let's get some sound clips of this exhaust and hopefully showcase it for you guys a little better than I have. So just to recap real quick, the exhaust that I have currently is a Remus axleback exhaust and then a CG DS-1 high flow race downpipe. So this combination of exhaust setup sounds really good in my opinion. It provides a nice deep note. That's why I went with Remus and this specific downpipe, is because of the deep notes that it provides. And also Remus is a very high quality brand. They make so many different exhausts, not just their own, but they make them for BMW, Porsche, etc. And I also went with the CG DS-1 high flow downpipe because it shouldn't throw a check engine light. At least that's what it says online. And then it also has like a 5-inch opening where it connects to the turbo, which is a lot bigger than normal downpipes that are for this car. That will provide a deeper sound and also more airflow. So the real question is this exhaust setup loud enough? You guys have to be the judge of that and let me know in the comments below. Hopefully you guys can hear well enough out of the GoPro. Low life. Let's see what she got. Even for stock power, this car just gets up so fast. So much fun. Pop this Yui, hit a quick drift on him. Even though I can't, but I will. Alright guys, well I hope those sound quality clips suffice. And yeah, so I'm just gonna give you my final thoughts of the exhaust setup, how it is right now. So this car is my daily driver, and I didn't want it to be like obnoxiously loud, so that's why I started off slow, you know, just going piece by piece with the exhaust. So starting out with the Remus Axleback, and as soon as I installed that, it just was not loud enough, especially inside the car. Sound is really muffled. I mean, don't get me wrong, it really opened up the sound and made it a lot deeper sounding, especially on the shifts and the burbles. Definitely enhanced those a lot. But yeah, just once again, it wasn't loud enough for my liking, especially like, you know, when you're driving the car. So yeah, the next step would be a catted downpipe. The reason why I went catted is because of the non-check engine light, which I'm sure you guys saw. I do have a check engine light, and it is from the downpipe. So I guess I'm just the lucky one. Even though they say they have cars with thousands of miles with no check engine light, but I mean, it could be different things causing that. It could be because the O2 sensors are dirty, or they were dirty before, and then we throw on the downpipe, and that brings a lot more carbon deposits. So that could be causing it to read wrong, too rich or too lean. So maybe if I just replace the O2 sensors, it'll be fine. But I don't want to really go through all that trouble and spend that money when I'm just going to tune the car in like a month or two. So yeah, we'll see. But yeah, with the downpipe and the Remus Axleback, it sounds freaking cool. It sounds awesome. It sounds so much deeper and just a lot louder. But honestly, it's not as loud as I thought it would be. Like adding the downpipe, I thought it was going to be way louder, maybe because it's not catless. But yeah, usually on videos that I've seen of people's cars who just have a catless downpipe, it sounds pretty loud. So I don't know, it's probably because of the high flow, but still it sounds really nice, sounds refined, and it sounds great. But in my opinion, I don't think it's quite loud enough. I would really want a little bit more noise, and so my options would be a Remus mid-pipe section. So let me know if I should save up for that, or if I should just do the most cost-efficient method, which would be deleting one of the resonators, because there are 2 resonators in the stock mid-pipe. So yeah, I think one of them's like a secondary cat even. So if I delete that one, and then it should really open up the exhaust, and that'll be just super cheap mod. I don't think I need the whole Remus mid-pipe, which costs another $1,000. So yeah, I mean, we'll see. I know the Remus mid-pipe would probably sound a lot better, but I'm not sure. Maybe we'll just do the mid-pipe section, cut that one of the resonators, and then see how it sounds, and then we can always go to the Remus mid-pipe from there. And then I get to see how 2 different modifications sound with the car. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Let me know what you think about the exhaust setup, and I'll be sure to take your comments into consideration for my next move. And also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because we have a lot of mods coming. We got BMW Invasion and later in February, so we're going to be doing a lot of prep for that. So stay tuned, smash that like button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.